Hello everybody, today we are going to make Falooda cake. This cake is really rich in its taste. Please do try and comment below. This is my basic vanilla 3 ingredient sponge cake. You shall check the videos on my channel. I shall give the link in the description too. Always mix the dry ingredients using a spatula. Do not mix using a beater. Even if you are using a beater, then you shall mix in a very low speed. I'm dividing the batter into two equal parts. To one part of the batter, I'm adding orange essence. To another, I'm adding strawberry. This is again left up to your choice. You can add in any fruit essence of your choice. I'm baking both the batters in a single tray and I shall show you how. I created a partition using silver foil and kept it in the middle of the tray. This is how I've done it. Our cake is ready. Soak basil seeds or sabja seeds to add in between the layers. For this cake, we shall soak the sponge in rose milk and not in sugar syrup. For that you will need 100 ml of milk and 2 to 3 tablespoons of rose milk syrup. Take fruits of your choice. I'm soaking for about 5 minutes in rose milk syrup. Let's whip our cream. I've taken 1 cup of whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of sugar. Start off in low speed, and after line starts appearing, increase the speed. After you have done with the icing, keep the cake for about half an hour in the refrigerator and serve chilled. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.